Hello investors, my name is Didzis Pogulis. I am the CEO of Livonija platform and I am the only owner of the forestry company Zējas Kažēri. I want to thank you all investors for investing in my company. As you know, Livonija platform is the same as the Zējas Kažēri. Livonija platform is a brand name for forestry company. And as you can see, we are producing wood chip. And we are right now taking the wood stock, white alder, for our firewood facility. Zējas Kažēri forestry company was founded 32 years ago. And this company founded my father, Viesturs Pogulis, only 2 months after the Soviet Union collapsed. And in 2015, I took over the company because my father went to the retirement. And I started to be the owner, and I started to be in the big management. As you can see, right now we are using Tēve Livonija funds. We bought a wood chip from the owner. This branches cost 12 euros per cubic meter. And we are selling them for 20 euros. And this object is located in near Valmiera city. It's only 15 kilometers away from the Valmiera. And we will transport this wood chip to Valmiera city heat company. And of course, for this wood chip, they will heat homes in Valmiera city. Valmiera city is a small town in Latvia. There's live only about 40,000 people. Yesterday, actually, we started the works in this object, and with this wood chipper, we can produce about 700 cubic meters per day. In one lorry goes in about 90 cubic meters wood chip. From the same owner, we bought white alder stock and this wood chip, these branches, and we are producing a wood chip, yes. And this heat company in the Valmiera, they measure the cubic meters for every load, and they will pay us in 1 week period. So that means that how we secure the Tēve Livonija funds, we only pay the owner of these branches, yes. Only after then, when the heat companies is being paid to us, and we can see the real cubic meters, we deduct the transport cost, the producing cost, and we take our profit, and after then we pay for this owner this money what he is getting. Yeah. Mostly we are collaborating with the companies what are established at least 5 years ago. In this case, this owner, he have a company too, and it's about 28 years old. We don't work with the startups who are just maybe 2 years old or 3, because as I can think, if we want to get paid for something, for some job done, or some stocks, some wood chip, or some timber, then we need to collaborate with the businesses what are good established with good financials, and then we see that we can get paid. The object, this is actually the project, and the project name is Loan ID 359. Livonija investors funded about 13,500 euros, and we bought 300 cubic meters of white alder stock, what are now the big truck is loading up. And actually, the owner of this stock offered to buy more, and after we bought actually 450 cubic meters of white alder stock. So in this project, Loan ID 359, we have a skin in the game about 56%, and total cost for this project was 21,050 euros. This white alder stock will be transported to our firewood facility in the Valmiera, and after some moments we will show our firewood facility. We actually want to try to be more transparent, and we will put supporting documents below this video, and we will show the bank statements that we bought this stock, and we will show the invoices from which company we bought this white alder stock, and wood chip too, branches too, but now we are producing the wood chip. When we will transport the birch pulpwood to the seaport, we will show how we use the Terra Livonia funds to buy the stock of the timber. Not only the wood chip, but the stock of timber too. I started this Livonia platform last year in October month, and I see the opportunity for this forestry business. And after this video, we will start marketing for the other bloggers to make the platform more visible and to join more investors. Good day, investors. We are right now at Livonia Firewood facility. This facility is located only 3 kilometers away from the Valmiera city center. We choose this spot because nearest towns, Cēsis is only 25 kilometers away, Limbaži it's 30 kilometers away, Valka 50, and Smiltene is about 55. And from this facility we can supply all these regions and cities with the firewood bags. In this facility we are producing only firewood bags. They are 40-liter big. It means that this bag is the wide of the bag is 50 centimeters, and the length is 70 centimeters big. I will now update projects, and the names is Lounide 352, 354, and 342. In these projects, what are all about the firewood facility, we bought Mercedes Sprinter 1, and investors funded for this one 10,500 euros. We bought them for this money, and we put the stickers on, and for every heavy machinery or the trucks, lorries or vans what are funded with the investors' funds, we will put the Livonia platform sticker logo to honor the platform. We as a forest company, we own a mechanical service too, and every heavy machinery, truck, lorry or van like this, we are repairing ourselves. We have our own mechanics who are working in the company, and we are doing this thing ourselves. As the company ZS Kažēri owns Livonia platform, it means that we can pay interest for investors even if the loan, if the projects are not funded 100%, because we are here many years, and we are selling these firewood bags anyway, no matter what, if the project is funded fully, partly, or even not funded. So in this one we can put about 300 firewood bags in it, and we sell these firewood bags from 280 to 350 euros per bag. And in one load we can put about 300 bags in it, So it means that in one load what we carry to the clients, mostly individuals, yes, we can get a revenue about from 840 euros to about 1,000 euros in one load. The price amplitude is so big because we are transport these bags with once to up to 50 kilometers, 55, maybe 62. And if we need to sell these firewood bags to Valmiera city, what is only 3 kilometers away from here, then we can put the price tag on to 2.80 euros. But if we need to carry them farther, then we need to put the price tag even 3.50 euros on it. We have in this firewood facility right now about 916 cubic meters firewood logs. Mostly of them here have a white alder, because white alder is the best firewood in Latvia, and mostly all individual persons want to buy these logs. And these logs we transport it in with our lorries, and our price was what we bought them with the transport cost included 48 euros per cubic meter. Now I will tell you the cost to make one firewood bag in facility. What is the self cost to make this one bag? I need to read with my telephone because I can't remember these numbers. I'm sorry. So to buy these logs, what I show you before, this 3-meter long firewood, yes, white alder, it costs with the transport 48 euros per cubic meter. And after that, to process this 3-meter long firewood, it costs about 8 euros per cubic meter. This means to process from the 3 meters to 30 centimeters long, and it's logged already, of course, yes. And one empty 40-liter bag, this empty tray, cost 8 cents per bag. It's VAT included, so it means taxes included. Or if we just turn over, then it's 4 euros per cubic meter cost this tray, only the empty bag cost, yes. To put the processed firewood in these bags, we pay workers 20 cents per bag to fill it up. And it means that in 1 cubic meter we pay 10 euros to fill these bags up. And as I told you before, in 1 cubic meter, these bags can make about 50 to 52 bags per 1 cubic meter you can make. Yes, amortization costs. This is about 2 euros per cubic meter. Amortization is for the one if something needs to be repaired, or the firewood processor if something's broke. It's means in the heavy machinery that is being used in here. And yes, and after that we pay our drivers, the one drivers, to transport these bags to clients. And drivers are working 12-hour shift, and we paid them 100 euros per one shift for 12 hours work. And we have one stacker what is driving together with the driver, and we pay them 50 euros per 12-hour shift. So it means that cost for transport and diesel fuel included, with the transportation cost about 10 euros per cubic meter. And of course we have administration cost, and we included that we have about €7 per cubic meter. So it means that our self cost to make these bags is together €94 per 1 cubic meter, or €1 88 cents. It's the cost to make. So it means almost €2 to make this bag, one bag. So, and we sell these bags for $2.80 to $3.50. It depends how long is the ride, how much kilometers we need to ride. We need to drive with the van to transport to the clients these bags. And I think our profit margin is it's very great actually. It's almost 33% profit margin. So I think this business is worth to invest more in, and we need right now to buy more firewood stock, white alder, and we need to get prepared for the summer, because in the summer we can, from this firewood facility, sell about 2-3 lorries. It's about 120 cubic meters, and it's a per day. So it's good. Investors, I want to introduce you with Kaspars.
Hello, hello.
He don't speak in English, I'm sorry, but he is this Valmieras firewood facility CEO. He administrates here everything, and he lives in the Valmiera. And he is 40 years old. We actually have in the forestry company, in the top management, only the old people, I would say. I'm the youngest one. I have only 33 years old, but I'm the owner. So I think it would be a good start to collaborate with us.